Hi guys! For making miniature pair of shoes, here I have cut two mini soles for the shoes where I am making the pattern for the front curved part of the shoe. Following this, I will trace the same pattern on a black sheet, and remember, these long lines are for giving curve look. Now I'm cutting all the lines for easy curving. For making the rest part, I'll be measuring the length as you can see. Now designing and making its mirror image by leaving some gap in between for the heel part. Guys, this is just a pattern and you'll need to trace it exactly on dark grey sheet as I'm doing. For now, these shaded parts are not in need. These will be made in later steps. For designing, I am shading some parts, and these parts has to be hidden with its black replica cutouts. For curving the heel part, I'll be cutting and pasting it in a bend manner. Time to cut black replicas of shaded part. Overlapping the cuts as shown for making clear curves at the heels. Now I'll be completing the earlier removed part here. Using a black pen, I'll be detailing the stitches for a more realistic look. With a punching tool, I've punched 6 dots for making holes for shoelaces. You can see how I'm molding the front part by using my fingers and applying glue for settling the curve. Cutting this way will help in firm binding the shoe sole. I'm giving thickness to the sole with a cardboard cutout. Last but not the least, attach a loop like this. And here you go.